Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kelvin. So I'm the Clinical Director of Gentle Smart Dental Studio. The in thing now is a lot of people are going to ChatGPT to ask a lot of questions, like my veneer breaks, things like that. So instead of ChatGPT, today we have Chat Dr. Casey. Okay, so I'll be answering some questions on the common myth about veneers. So first thing first is that I won't be able to speak normally, okay, after putting veneer on. I think it's very much a myth that's not true, because most of my patients after veneers, they would have no issue trying to talk with the veneer, trying to eat with the veneer as well. Having said that, sometimes when we do a trial smile, we are putting a layer of trial veneer on. The veneer might seem thicker, so in that sense they might find it a bit harder to talk with the trial veneer on. But the temporary veneer and the final veneer that will be put on, where they will walk out the clinic with, normally not much of an issue with talking and eating. It looked like piano key. Yeah, that's a very common myth. A lot of patients come in asking about this question. Or the other scenario is that my relative, or my friends had veneers that were done and then they look like piano key. So they would then advise, the other people not to have veneer done. It is not unreal in a sense that piano key are just very boxy veneers that one could argue that some people might prefer that. So for patients who prefer that, that would be the ideal smile or the desired smile that they want. Okay, but by and large, I think majority of the patients that I have, none of them has asked for piano key kind of veneer before. So we normally go for more natural looking veneers. Only celebrity need veneers. I have met some celebrity patients and not all of them have veneers. So that is the opposite of that myth question that you have asked. It's very common, to associate some of the enhancement or the things with celebrity. I don't think that's really true. Actually, a lot of my patients are everyday, people who work in a very common industry like finance, HR, all walks of life actually. So I don't really think that only celebrity need veneers. I would think that anyone who desire a nicer smile, a smile where they are not confident with, they would actually benefit from having ceramic veneers.